Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 462. It is 5 boxes of 2014 Panini Crown Royale football retail 5 box break. All the team names are up on the left and your names. I'm going to continue the live auction of the jersey after. If anybody wants to buy any of those teams up front, let me know that are still left on the screen. If you're going to be in the room tonight, and you want a shot at some free break credit, give me a number all the way on the right that is blank between 1 and 20 in this column, and I will put you in, and we are going to get this football break started. All right, basically what you bid on was, this being an eBay break, you bid on a business card. This is the business card you will get. If you paid on time, which I believe everybody did, you will get every team that you purchased in the title and all the cards that come out of these boxes. A few simple rules. If a multiplayer card comes out and somebody owns a majority of the teams, they will get the card. If there is no majority owner, it will go to random. If somehow, Tavin, somebody's got 4. If somehow I lose my internet or my internet goes down, I will stop everything I'm doing. And as soon as I get my internet back up and running, I will continue recording. All my recordings are posted on YouTube. The final rule is there's a couple rules. If a card comes out and it's in a Saints uniform, but on the bottoms it says Packers and on the back it says Packers, it would go to the Packers. And if a card comes out that we have a question on or whatever it may be, discrepancy, I would look at the checklist first and foremost. After that, I would have the final say so. So here we go, and good luck. Tavin, if you want to pick another number instead of 4, BK already has number 4 on the right. Let me know. Here we go. Good luck. The jersey is after this. Round the bases. I got you. Thank you for your payments. Empty box. And round the bases. By chance, I have to ask you a question. 1 second. Do you have any other names that you may have purchased stuff from me before under? If so, let me know. There's a reason that I ask you. All right, here we go. Good luck to everybody in the break. By chance, are you rounding third? There's our auto. Okay. If you can follow me on this rounding the bases, I would appreciate it. What I need you to do is send me an email to giveawaybreaks@gmail.com with your address. Because I have a package for somebody that has not gone out yet. I did not get an address for. Somebody sent over his gift. But if it's not you, no problem. Here we go. Good luck. Tavin took 3 before I start. Welcome, Tavin. Thank you. Sorry, I'm running a little bit behind tonight. The computer keeps crashing, but I think it's because of breakers. All right, here we go. Patterson, Thomas. We have for the Vikings, Scott Crichton, rookie, and that is bronze or copper out of 95 because they do it out of his jersey number. So it is 6 of 95. Congrats to the Vikings. Calvin Pryor. And we have a Paul Richardson red triangle rookie for the Seahawks, which I have never seen in this yet. Congrats to the Seahawks. AJ Green. Drew Brees. Clinton Dix rookie for the Pack. And we have Calvin Johnson and Mike Evans, Knights and Squires. That is the Bucks and the Lions. That may be a random. I will check the list in a minute. And we have a blue parallel, Darren McFadden. 115 of 199 for the Raiders and Ash. Congrats, Ash, wherever you are. The Lions are Kirk, and who's the Bucks? The Bucks are Brian C. That'll be a random after. All right, our blue parallel in the next pack is Rob Blanchenflower, rookie for the Steelers. 68 of 199. We have the King's Court, Dalton Green and Bernard. Reggie Bush, Bell for Lions, and the hit, good luck, goes to the Bucks. Severian Jenkins, rookie silhouettes jersey patch. 122 of 199. Congrats to the Bucks. And the auto of box 1. Here we go. We have a red parallel, Williams rookie for the Dolphins. 71 of 99. Congrats to the Dolphins. Master Craftsman, J.J. Watt for the Texans. Andy Dalton. T.Y. Hilton. And in this, so everybody knows, green is harder to get than red. I do not know, they do not number them, but green is harder to get than red. So if you see green, that's good. And the auto goes to, who got this team? Congrats to Kelly S. It is for the Vikings. A copper rookie of David Yankee. All on sticker autograph. 29 of 149. If anybody wants any teams in the jersey, let me know what teams you want before they go sold. Or if you want in the 8-box case of 2015 Donruss Signatures football, blank card, that is in the store. That is right here. They are all autographs. Let me put the link up real quick. Four autographs per box, 8 boxes. Hoops, I got you for the Bobby Beauchene. All right, here we go. Next box. Good luck. Empty box. This is box 2 of the break. Again, anybody that is new to the room, if you could, please click the follow button. I'd appreciate it. That is right there on the bottom of the screen. There's our autograph. And if you're going to be in the room and you want a shot at some free break credit, if you have not taken a number on the right, on that side, give me a number and I will put you in. Mage 1819, if you want in a shot at some free break credit and you're going to be in the room, give me a number. And anybody else I'm missing that came in while I'm doing the break. If I do not get 20 people's names, we're not going to do that. So if you guys could help me, by anybody that comes in the room, tell them pick a number. I would appreciate it. That will help. I want to give away the break credit. All right, Mage, I got you in at 17. Thank you. Even if they don't stay, if they put their name in there, that's all I need. Cam Newton, Carson Palmer, Stephen Ridley, blue parallel for the Pats. 126 of 199. Congrats to the Pats. As I said, green is harder to get than red. We have a red Master Craftsman Peyton Manning for the Broncos. And for the Bengals, we have a green triangle die cut rookie, AJ McCarron. Congrats to Kelly and the Bengals. Again, before I forget, thank you all for the fill. I do appreciate it. I have a red triangle die cut of Bishop Sankey for the Titans and Dan. Geno Smith, Cecil Shorts III, and Quincy rookie for the Jets. And we have a bronze out of 77 Hegman rookie for the Falcons and BK. That is 13 of 77. Congrats to BK. We will do the patch card first and then the auto. If somehow points come out, I'll be angry, but that's besides the point. They'd be random to everybody in the break. Cap and Arrow rookie. Sam Bradford, Austin, and Mason. RG3. Andre Ellington, and the hit goes to the Chiefs. We have a jersey patch, all pro material, Dexter McCluster for the Chiefs. It is 322 of 499. Congrats to the Chiefs. And the last pack with the auto. Good luck. Come on, big auto. One time. David Fales, rookie for the Bears. We have Knights and Squires, Brandon Marshall for the Bears and Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. The Bears are K. Watts, and the Eagles are Kirk. So that will be a random as well. Richard Sherman, Steven Jackson for the Falcons, and our auto. Well, one of the last teams taken. I will move these and do the auto. Congrats on the hit. It is a rookie. It is a copper. And it is Jake Matthews for BK and the Falcons. Actually, it wasn't one of the last team takens. It was one of the ones I got an IM about. 35 of 75. It's also, I think, beat one of BK's personal teams too. I think. BK, what's your favorite football team? While we're on that subject. Blank card. Box 3. Good luck. Here we go. Chorizo's in the house. That's what I thought. I knew it was one of something. All right. Empty box. I knew you lived down there. That was a given, but I wasn't sure if that was your team or not. That should be a jersey patch. Sweet. We have an auto. We're going to try and fill the jersey break next. Anybody wants a team in the full case of 2015 Panini Donruss Signatures football? There are some left if you check the store. Everything in the store that you see will break by next Friday, no matter what, full or not, if not sooner. If I have to, I will take all the teams myself. J.J. Watt, Colin Kaepernick. We have a blue parallel, Arian Foster. 147 of 199. It just depends with the holidays. I mean, everything that I have just broke last night or today. Will go out this week. I have a green die cut Kadeem Carey rookie for the Bears. Congrats to the Bears. That's a cool card. Green is harder than red to get, and we have a red die cut triangle Mikey Evans. Interesting pack. Congrats to the Bears and the Bucks. That was a cool pack. But every other card up until last night and tonight has been shipped. Master Craftsman Richard Sherman, Monte Ball, Ashawn Jeffrey, We have a Justin Gilbert rookie for the Browns. And we have a blue parallel Jordan Cameron for the Browns. 152 of 199. Congrats to the Browns. Somebody picked them up, I think. Rounding the bases. The Dolphins, they're coming. They're probably swimming out in sea here. Hang on. Let me find you a Dolphin. We have a blue parallel Aaron Donald rookie for the Rams. 127 of 199. And like I said, anybody that came in the room, if you want a shot at some free break credit tonight, give me a number on the right that has not been taken. We have a red die cut triangle Eric Ebron rookie for the Lions. Wes Walker, Andre Ellington, and our hit, good luck. Wow, is a huge jersey patch, jumbo silhouette Jimmy Garoppolo rookie for the Pats. Kirk M. Nobody, where are all my Pat fans? That is 15 of 99. 15 of 99 on Jimmy G rookie jumbo jersey patch. How do we let this one sneak through? I have not seen one like this either come out of this stuff, but that is cool. Congrats to the Patriots owner. But basically, I think Dave was asking me, everything would be shipped out by next week, Wednesday at the latest. I'm hoping Tuesday. What's breaking next? I'm doing some live auctions, Jimmy, and also I'm giving away some free break credit. I'm trying to fill this case. Those teams are left in the store. If you use this code, it'll give you 8% off anything in the store. And everything in the store will break one way or the other by next Friday night. No matter what, if I have to take every spot, I will. Brandon Coleman, rookie. And for the Patriots, again, Tom Brady, crown jewels. The Pats are on fire. Wow. Matt Ryan, Eric Decker, and here comes our auto. Good luck. There's the Decker. It is a rookie, a bronze. It looks like. Good luck. Wow, Cody Latimer for the Broncos. Bronze or copper. Blank card. Who's got the Broncos? Joseph B. All on sticker autograph. And holy crap, that is number 1 of 99. These 3 boxes so far have been pretty good. Considering it's a retail product, it's actually been excellent. I'll just put it point blank. But if you want any teams in the jersey, let me know. That is not in the store. I pulled them out, but I will sell them to you if you want them. That is what you see up on the screen also. All right, box 4. Good luck. That should be our patch card. And that is an auto. I see a dolphin. I see a cowboy. Yes, that Donruss Signatures. I would like to do that case. And you get 8% off of it too. If you use that code in the store on any teams you buy, use it on whatever you want. That code ends tonight. So everybody knows I have, I think, 3 left in a hockey puck break, 5 or 6 left in a black box break. So there's a lot of breaks on the verge of going. All right, I will hang on a second until everybody comes back. The only thing I'm going to do is, while we are on hold and I'm still recording, is I'm going to get a blank piece of cardboard and put it in between here because, oh, that looked to be a random hit, but I don't think it's going to be a random. I just go like that and leave it like that. But again, the video's still going. You'll all see it on the video. Let me know when you're back. I see people starting to come back. I don't know if they're fully back. But like I said, yes, this full case of football, there's 8 boxes, 4 cards per box, all autographs. There's a black box with 1 card in it. Random divisions. There's 6 spots of those left. That's in the store. An autograph hockey puck. Random divisions. There are 3 left in the store, I believe, on that. You can use the code on that as well. A full-size helmet break and whatever else. Good luck. Here we go now that I'm back. Box 4, pack 1. Philip Rivers. Randall Cobb. We have a red holy foil. Trent Richardson, which is out of 25 for the Colts. 4 of 25. Grats to Dan. Yep. Okay, I'm still back. Good. And that was a great pack because we have 2 triangle die cuts. One is green, Sammy Watkins rookie for the Bills, and Johnny Manziel rookie for the Browns. No numbers on those cool cards. Again, the green is harder to get. And I believe I still am live. If somebody is sending me an IM, those are hard to get when I'm breaking. I will look at them in a little bit. Are we still froze? All right. Nope, I don't think I'm froze. I hear my voice, so I'm going to continue. This is all being recorded anyways. So here we go. Jordy Nelson. Tony Romo. We have a blue parallel. Marcus Colston. 146 of 199. Congrats to the Saints. Buchanan rookie for the Cardinals, and a Master Craftsman, Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. That was pack 2. If you missed anything, let me know, and I will recap that whole box if I have to. I inserted a white card here because I thought this patch card coming up was going to be a random, but I do not think it's going to be. Isaiah Crowell, blue parallel, rookie for the Browns. 13 of 199. Congrats to the Browns. And speaking of the Thins, we have a die cut Javaris Landry rookie red parallel for New Yorker. Congrats, New Yorker. Russell Wilson and Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. And here comes our patch card. Good luck. The patch card is... This was actually a good $5 5-box break. How about a J.J. Watt for the Texans? All Pro Materials jersey patch. The Texans is Kelly S. Congrats, Kelly. 451 of 499 on the J.J. Watt. That is cool. Last pack of box 4. Good luck. This has the auto. Jimmy Ward rookie. Blank card. Let me get that out of the way. The King's Court. Flacco, Smith, Torrey Smith, and Steve Smith Sr. Michael Crabtree. Doug Martin. And the auto. Good luck. There's the Doug Martin. All right, the auto goes this way. It is a rookie. That is red. Grats. That is a red refractor parallel, whatever rookie. Good luck. Of Skov for the Niners. Wow. And red is out of 25. That is 23 of 25. And that is Dan. Grats, Dan. You pulled that one out of the air. Or off the dartboard. That was a bullseye. Actually, I think you got the red yesterday, too, if I'm not mistaken. All right, last box of this break. Good luck to everybody, especially if you haven't hit yet. I hope you hit big, or at least hit something. Blank card. I will do the random right after this box. Last box. Good luck. Being honest, New Yorker, your best shot would probably be in the Donruss case break. The odds would be more in your favor there than here, but I'm going to try. Well, you're asking for Dolphins, and the Dolphins are coming, and that's actually an auto behind the Dolphin. Thank goodness we did not get any points. Now I can say it. I was holding my breath for that one. This has been a actually pretty good 5 boxes. Dang, and there's a look at that number just sticking right out at me on that patch card. All right, good luck. Again, thank you all for the fill. Macklin, McCoy, Alfred Morris, blue parallel for the Redskins. 30 of 199. Yes, that is 30. I have Heron rookie for the Bucks and a die cut red parallel Brandon Cooks for the Saints. Congrats to the Saints. K Watts. K Watts. Finally hit a Saints card. Sorry, that just threw me for a loop. Reggie Bush, Des Bryant. We'll go this way. Jared Abadaris, rookie for the Pack. Alden Smith, Master Craftsman, red for the Niners. And we have a bronze for the Lions out of 95, Bonet, rookie. That is his number. It is 79 of 99, or 95, sorry, for the Lions. Congrats to Kirk. 2 packs left. Good luck. And man, this is whatever this patch card is. It is 36 of 399. I'm going to show you that right now because it just keeps sticking out at me. I have no clue who it's for. This is a cool card for the Packers. Haha, Clinton Dix rookie. Blue parallel. That is 83 of 199. Aaron Rodgers, Eddie Lacy, and Nelson the King's Court. Zach Stacy, Frank Gore, and the hit goes this way. Here we go. Good luck. Goes to the Broncos. Demarius Thomas. Knights of the Round Table jersey patch. That is cool. Joseph B. 36 of 399. And yes, this is actually very cool. This is one of the better breaks for this stuff. I'm not saying the best, but it is one of the better ones for sure. All right, here we go. Last pack. Good luck. Zach Martin, rookie for the Cowboys. The division champs, Cowboys. Oh, sorry. 15 of 99. Patrick W. Grats for getting the best team in the world. I mean, grats for getting a good team. 15 of 99. Yes, I'm a Cowboys fan. All right, we have Knights and Squires, Chris Johnson and Bishop Sankey, Jets and Titans. That will be a random. Unless Dan has the Jets. Dan has the Jets. No random needed. Thank you, Dan. That is your card. Grats. After this, I am going to finish and we're going to do the jersey break. Patterson, Mike Wallace, and our last auto of the break. Good luck. Is a rookie red swirl autograph. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Good luck. I hope it's huge. Funny. This is almost kind of funny. This is for the losing team last night, but grats to the Giants. That is a sweet card. All on sticker autograph rookie of Andre Williams. Wow, if that would have been Beckham, this would have been sick. And did we freeze? Yes, we did. Or I did. Man, are you seriously at a time like this? I froze. If anybody can hear me, I will be right back. 1 second. Jeez. Well, I'm frozen on breakers, but I am not froze live, so I'm going to continue and finish this break. Sorry if you guys are trying to talk to me on breakers. I cannot see anything, but this is a sick card. Grats to the Giants. 2 of 14. Wow, grats seriously to the Giants. That is a cool card. I am going to do the random now. Like I said, if anybody's chatting to me, I'm sorry I can't see anything. I just know my recording's going and I'm finishing this break. Like I said, I'm on a mission and I'm not stopping. All right, I see some of the chat, it looks like. Let me pull my screen up. Let me see. If anybody sent me IMs, I didn't get any of them, so you know. Andre Williams was the final hit of the break. 2 of 14. That is cool. And sorry, but Scove, you're going back there. And now to do the random. And that will conclude this break in 1 second. After I do this random, good luck. The way I do it is for these two cards. Kelvin Johnson, Brandon Marshall, you're on the left. Mike Evans and Jordan Matthews, you're on the right. If I roll a 1, 2, or 3, it goes to the teams on the left. 4, 5, or 6, the teams on the right. 1 dice. Here we go. Good luck to determine who gets those cards. It is a 3. We are going left. So it's going to the Bears on this one. And the Lions, Calvin Johnson on the next one. That was the only 2 randoms I had in this break. Thank you again, all for the fill. This concludes break number 462. I'm going to give it a second because I hear my voice lagging a little bit, and then I will stop the recording. So Lions, Bears, and then I'm going to finish the jersey. And if anybody bought anything in the store, I will take a look at. If you sent me IMs, I did not get any of them. I will repeat that because I have to reload breakers. Give me 1 second to stop this recording. Thanks again for the fill.